Hey, what's up everyone? So we have our day 3, which I did forgot to upload yesterday. My apologies for that. So, because it was just Valentine's yesterday. Oh yeah. So, I played Valentine's to everyone who's watching this. Alright, so we have our third day, and we start with flower. Flower, which actually has relation to hanabi, or fireworks. Second, the most famous cherry blossom viewing, or hanami. There you go, hanami. Second would be the easiest today. It's shellfish, kai. Alright, and then third one, you have study, daigaku, or college, gakko for school, gakko for school, gakusei for student. Right? Fourth one would be spirit, which would stand for popular, ninki, healthy, genki, and feeling or mood, it's kibun. Alright, so we have examples, statements here. Alright, so here, kai o taberareru no, which means, can you eat a shellfish? And then we have, daigaku de ninki na hanabi ni ikimashita. So in college, or when in college, I went to a famous fireworks festival. Daigaku de ninki na hanabi ni ikimashita. There you go. So that's our day 3 for 20-day challenge, grade 1 kanji. See you guys next time.